Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this diagnostic presentation focusing on the DTC P16E6-00, which denotes a malfunction in the transmission range switch start switch circuit for the Honda CR-V model from 2023 onwards. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that an abnormality has been detected by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, when the park neutral PN position signal is received from the transmission range switch under specific driving conditions. The transmission range switch is critical in relaying the current gear position to the PCM, enabling the vehicle to function properly. A malfunction in this circuit can lead to various issues, including unexpected shifts and impaired driving performance. Our follow-up will cover detailed error descriptions, possible causes, symptoms, and troubleshooting steps to effectively address and resolve this specific DTC error. The P16E6-00 error indicates that there is an issue with the transmission range switch. This switch plays a crucial role in signaling to the PCM the current position of the gear selector, specifically whether it is in the park, neutral, or drive position. Its accurate operation is essential for the vehicle's proper functioning, as it allows for safe starts and prevents unintended movement of the vehicle. The transmission range switch is typically located on or near the transmission assembly under the vehicle, directly connected to the gear selector mechanism. The PCM is responsible for interpreting signals from the transmission range switch. If an abnormality is detected, it stores the DTC and may trigger various warning lights on the dashboard. It is vital to address this error promptly to ensure safe and effective vehicle operation. There are several possible causes for the DTC P16E6-00. First, a primary suspect is a faulty transmission range switch. If this component is malfunctioning, it may send incorrect signals to the PCM. This can result in confusion regarding the vehicle's actual gear position and may prevent the engine from starting or while driving. Second, there could be shorted wiring issues within the circuit associated with the transmission range switch. These short circuits can disrupt proper signal communication. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM could also be the root cause. If the PCM itself is unable to interpret valid signals accurately or is damaged, it may wrongly store this DTC. Therefore, a thorough inspection of each component is essential to pinpoint the precise issue. Diagnosing the symptoms associated with the DTC P16E6-00 is critical in understanding the problem. One common symptom is that the engine may not start, especially if the transmission is not detected in the correct position. This can create significant inconvenience and may leave the driver stranded. Another potential symptom includes unusual gear shifting behavior, where the vehicle may hesitate or jerk when changing gears. Drivers may also notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, indicating a transmission issue. These symptoms collectively point towards a malfunction in the transmission range switch circuit and necessitate immediate attention to avoid further complications. In the first troubleshooting step for the DTC P16E6-00, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This allows the PCM to power up and monitor all signals from the various components. Next, shift the transmission to a position other than park or neutral. Doing so will send a clear signal to the PCM regarding the current gear selection. It is essential to wait at least 5 seconds for the system to register the change in position. This process helps the technician understand whether the transmission range switch is sending the correct signals to the PCM under various conditions. If the PCM detects any discrepancies during this test, it will trigger the error code, confirming the need for further inspection. The second step in addressing DTC P16E6-00 involves disconnecting the PCM connector, specifically connector A, 72P. This process is crucial as it isolates the PCM for further testing and inspections. Next, the technician will perform diagnostic tests on the transmission range switch to ensure it is functioning correctly. This switch must adequately transmit the gear position signal, as any malfunction here can lead to the error. Additionally, it is essential to inspect the external circuit for any shorts or breaks that may affect the communication between the switch and the PCM. If damage is detected in the wiring or connections, this could be the root cause of the DTC and should be repaired to restore normal operation. For the third troubleshooting step, the technician should perform a signal inspection of the ATP-NP, automatic transmission position, neutral position, signal in the system. This inspection will determine if the signal is being correctly transmitted from the transmission range switch to the PCM. It's crucial to check for any shorts to ground, as this can drastically affect the transmission's operation, leading to the stored DTC. By referring to the provided diagnostic diagrams, technicians can map out the circuit and identify potential bottlenecks or failures in the wiring. Ensuring that the signal integrity is intact can help isolate the fault, pointing towards the required repairs. In the fourth and final troubleshooting step, it is necessary to conduct a thorough inspection of the powertrain control module, PCM, itself. After ensuring that all previous components have been verified as functional, the PCM must be checked to identify if it is operating correctly. This involves running diagnostic tests to confirm that the PCM is interpreting signals correctly and is not the root cause of the malfunction. If tests indicate any errors or abnormalities in the PCM's functionality, it may be deemed the issue that requires attention or replacement. Ultimately, a robust PCM is essential for the transmission range switch to function properly and accurately relay positions to prevent DTC occurrences. Once all necessary repairs and inspections have been completed for the DTC P16E6-00, it's essential to verify the final repairs through a comprehensive test drive of the vehicle. During this process, monitor the vehicle's transmission behavior closely, particularly during shifting. Ensuring that the transmission operates smoothly without unexpected shifts or faults is crucial to confirming that the issue has been resolved. Post-test drive, clear any stored DTCs in the PCM and check if the error code reoccurs. If the issue does arise again, further analysis may be required to pinpoint the ongoing fault. Documenting the findings from the test drive will also provide useful information for future references if similar issues arise. To prevent the occurrence of DTC P16E6-00 in the future, regular preventive maintenance is advised. Technicians should conduct routine inspections of the transmission range switch and its associated wiring connections. This proactive approach helps catch potential problems early before they escalate into serious issues. Additionally, ensuring that the PCM has any necessary updates applied can also contribute to smoother operation and enhanced reliability. Keeping up with maintenance schedules allows for better longevity of the electronic components, as well as improved overall vehicle performance. Adhering to preventive measures will significantly reduce the risk of DTC recurring and improve driving safety. In conclusion, this presentation has explored the DTC P16E6-00 and its implications for the Honda CR-V 2023+. The importance of the transmission range switch and its critical role in ensuring effective communication with the PCM cannot be overstated. Identifying symptoms like starting issues and unusual gear shifts is pivotal for timely diagnosis and repair. The troubleshooting steps outlined, from performing initial condition tests to identifying potential circuit shorts, provide a comprehensive approach for technicians to effectively diagnose and resolve this DTC. Regular preventive maintenance practices further support the longevity of these components and contribute to overall vehicle reliability. By adhering to these guidelines and recommendations, vehicle safety and performance can be significantly enhanced. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.